Good morning, students. Today, new lesson, History, Unit 6, Early Revolts against British rule in Tamil Nadu. Under this topic, listen here carefully, students. Introduction. After French defeat in 3 Carnatic wars, there are 3 Carnatic wars is there. First Carnatic war, second Carnatic war and third Carnatic war. 3 Carnatic wars also, French was defeated by the British, English East India Company. The English East India Company extend their influence and power. After English having the full power in Tamil Nadu, the first resistance of English East India Company, the territorial aggrandizement was Pulithevar. Aggrandizement means ஆக்கிரமிப்புக்குள்ளான in Tamil Nadu. The first resistance of the English East India Company in Tamil Nadu by the Pulithevar, territorial aggrandizement, was Pulithevar of Nerkattum Seval in Tirunelveli district. Listen here, students. First resistance of English East India Company was Pulithevar. Pulithevar belonged to Tamil Nadu of Nerkattum Seval in Tirunelveli district. Noted. In this lesson, we are going to see elaborately the Tamil chieftains against the British rule in Tamil Nadu. Note it, students. Resistance of regional powers against the British. Under this topic, first one, Palayams and Palayakaras. The word Palayam means domain or little kingdom. Domain or little kingdom. Little kingdom were known as Palayam. The Palayakara system was practiced in Tamil Nadu. The little kingdom were rule over Palayakaras rule over the little kingdom. They were known as a feudatory. Feudatory is Nilamani Amaipu. The Palayakara system was practiced by Prataparudra of Warangal in Kakatiya kingdom. The Palayakara system was practiced by Prataparudra of Warangal in Kakatiya kingdom. In Tamil Nadu, the Palayakara system was practiced by Vishwanatha Nayak in 1529. The minister of Aryanadar. Aryanadar was the minister of Vishwanatha Nayak. Vishwanatha Nayaka. In Tamil Nadu, the Palayakara system was practiced by Vishwanatha Nayak in 1529. The minister of Aryanadar. Noted. There are 72 Palayakaras exist in Tamil Nadu. The police duty were, the Palayakaras police duty were known as Padaikaval or Arasukaval. Padaikaval or Arasukaval. Arasukaval. The Palayakaras and the Nayaks were maintaining the relationship for the past 200 years. The Palayakaras and the Nayaks were Nayaks in Madurai, Palayakaras in Nerkattum Seval. Note, the Palayakaras and Nayaks maintained the relationship for the past 200 years until the British take over Tamil Nadu. They maintained relationship for the past 200 years, both Palaikaras and Nayaks noted. Eastern and Western Palayams. Among 72 Palaikaras, the Palayams were divided into two. One is the Eastern Palayams and another one is the Western Palayams. Eastern Palayams consist of Satur, Nagalapura, Yettayapura and Panjalam Kurichi. The Western Palayams consist of Udumalai, Talwan Kote, Naduva Kurichi, Singampete and Seitur. There are two Palayams exist. One is the Eastern Palayams, another one is the Western Palayam. Eastern Palayam consists of Satur, Nagalapura, Yettayapura and Panjalam Kurichi. Western Palayam consists of Udumalai, Talwan Kote, Naduva Kurichi, Singampete and Seitur. Palaikaras revolt. The revolt of Pulithevan. Listen here now. In 1755, Mahfuz Khan, he was the Nawab of Arcot. Mahfuz Khan was the Nawab of Arcot, sent Colonel Harran to Tirunelveli. Sent Colonel Harran. He is having the army people to send Colonel Harran. Harran was the head of the army. It was sent to Tirunelveli. Madurai was defeated. Madurai was defeated by Colonel Harran. So after that, Colonel Harran deal with Pulithevan, defy the authority of kingdom. Defy means refuse to obey. Defy means refuse to obey the order of the company, English East India Company. Listen here. Colonel Harran was defeated. Madurai was defeated by the Colonel Harran, and after Madurai was defeated, Colonel Harran deal with Pulithevan to defy the authority of the kingdom. But Pulithevan got much influence from Western Palaikaras. Western Palaikaras support goes to Pulithevan. So Colonel Harran abandoned the plan and retired to Madurai because of Pulithevan got much influence of the Western Palaikaras during that time. Colonel Harran abandoned the plan and retired to Madurai. Finally, Colonel Harran was dismissed from the service. Confederacy and alliance with the enemies of British. Nawab Chanda Sahib agents were Maina, Mudumia and Nabikan Kata. They were the agents of the Chanda Sahib, Nawab Chanda Sahib agents. Maina, Mudumia and Nabikan Kata commanded the Madurai and Tirunelveli. Both Madurai and Tirunelveli commanded by these agents, Nawab Chanda Sahib agents. But these Maina, Mudumia and Nabikan Kata support goes to Palaikaras during that time. Against the Arcot Nawab Muhammad Ali. These Maina, Mudumia and Nabikan Kata support goes to Pulithevan during that time. They support Palaikaras against the Nawab of Muhammad Ali. Pulithevan close relationship with them, and Pulithevan tried to get Hyder Ali support finally against the English East India Company. But Hyder Ali could not able to support the Pulithevar because of he was engaged in battle with the Marathas during that time. Battle with the Marathas during that time. He could not able to support Pulithevar during that time. Noted. Listen here students. Once again, I am going to recall introduction. After French defeat in 3 Carnatic wars, English East India Company was extend their power and influence. And in Tamil Nadu, the first resistance of English East India Company was territorial aggrandizement was Pulithevar of Nerkattum Seval in Tirunelveli district. Note it. In this lesson, we are going to see elaborately Tamil resistance against the British. Note it. Resistance of regional powers against the British. Palayams and Palayakaras. The word Palayam means domain or little kingdom. The Palayakara system were known as a feudatory. The Palayakara system was practiced by Prataparutra of Warangal in Kakatiya kingdom. Kakatiya kingdom. Warangal. Initially, the Palayakara system was practiced. After that, in Tamil Nadu, the Palayakara system was practiced by Vishwanatha Nayaka in 1529. The Minister of Aryanatha. Minister of Aryanatha. There are 72 Palayakaras exist. The Palayakaras police duty were known as Padaikaval or Arasukaval. The Palayakaras and Nayaks were maintained the relationship for the past 200 years until Tamil Nadu take over by British. Eastern and Western Palayams. Among 72 Palayakaras, Palayams were divided into two. One is the Eastern Palayams and another one is the Western Palayams. Eastern Palayam consists of Sattur, Nagalapuram, Ettayapuram and Panjalam, Kurichi. The Western Palayam consists of Udumalai, Talwankotai, Nadukurichi, Singampete and Seithur. Palayakaras revolt. Revolt of Pulithevar. In 1755, Mehboob Khan, the Nawab of Arcot, sent army to Colonel Aren to Tirunelveli. Madurai was defeated. After Madurai defeated, the Colonel Aren deal with Pulithevar to defy the authority of the company. Refused to obey the company's authority. So, Pulithevar got much influence from the Western Palayakaras. The Western Palayakara support goes to Pulithevar during that time. So, Colonel Aren was not able to tackle in that situation. So, he abandoned the plan. Abandon means leave. Abandon means leave the plan and retired to Madurai. Finally, he was dismissed from the service. Noted. Colonel Aren was dismissed from the service. Confederacy and alliance with enemies of British. The Nawab Chanda Sahib agents were Maina, Mudumia and Nabikan Kata. These three leaders commanded the Madurai and Tirunelveli. But these three people, leaders, support goes to Palayakaras. They support Palayakaras. So, against the Arcot Nawab, Muhammad Ali. So, Pulithevar close relationship maintained with them. After that, Pulithevar tried to get Hyder Ali support. But Hyder Ali could not able to provide support to Pulithevar because of he was engaged in war with the Marathas during that time. Noted. Okay then, students, tomorrow we'll see.